Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the AI revolution. Let's explore how AI is changing our lives, moving past the hype of chatbots, and uncovering the real potential of this incredible technology. You know, it's easy to get caught up in the hype surrounding AI, especially when it comes to chatbots. But let's be honest, chatbots are just the tip of the iceberg. AI has so much more to offer, and we're here to help you understand its true potential. Think about it. AI is a powerful tool for innovation and problem solving. It's revolutionizing industries, from healthcare to finance, and it's only going to get better. We're just scratching the surface of what AI can do, and it's exciting to see where this technology will take us. So, let's move past the hype and dive into the real impact of AI on our lives. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore even more fascinating aspects of this revolutionary technology. First up, AI is revolutionizing healthcare by providing personalized treatment plans and faster diagnoses. This technology is helping doctors make more accurate decisions and improving patient outcomes. Next, AI is making waves in manufacturing by driving efficiency and automating complex tasks. This is helping companies save time and money, while also improving product quality. AI is shaping the future of transportation with self-driving cars and smart traffic management. This technology is making our roads safer and more efficient, and it's only going to get better with time. AI is powering personalized experiences through recommendations and tailored content. Whether it's our favorite movie or the perfect pair of shoes, AI is helping us find what we're looking for faster and more accurately. AI-powered smart homes are becoming more and more common. From controlling the thermostat to turning on the lights, these intelligent devices are making our lives simpler and more convenient. AI assistants are simplifying tasks and enhancing our daily routines. From setting reminders to organizing our calendars, these virtual assistants are truly making our lives easier. You know, as AI continues to evolve, it's crucial that we consider the ethical implications of its development and deployment. We need to ensure that these powerful tools are used responsibly and fairly. That's why it's so important to address potential biases in AI algorithms. So, let's think about it. How can we ensure that these algorithms are fair and unbiased? How can we prevent them from perpetuating harmful stereotypes or discriminatory practices? It's a complex issue, but it's one that we need to tackle head-on. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech-related content. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the future.